What's up YouTube, Abreeze Motovlogs here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I installed my new TST Industries integrated tail light. Leg up. I don't know what that was. Anyway, check it out. This right here was a nightmare to take out. I actually had to ask my wife to come help me take this out because it just wouldn't come out. So I ended up maybe even damaging it a little. I don't think my phone can focus. But this little sucker was a nightmare to get out. So my advice, if you're gonna take this out, if you're using a screwdriver, make sure it's a really thin one so you can actually get inside this little flap so you can actually pull it out. Otherwise, you will struggle just like I did. So if you don't want those problems, long screwdriver, get right in there and then you can pull it out. What's up, gang? So my TST Industries tail light is now finally installed. It took a minute, so I actually ended up having to do it on another day because I had some stuff to do. But it is now done. So this is the final result. As you can see, it actually surprisingly was easy. Huge credit and huge shout out to the TST Industries guys. They did an amazing tutorial on how to install this on YouTube for the MT-09. So it was so easy. All I had to do was like watch the video, pause it at certain parts, and then just make sure I'm doing the right thing. But it was fairly easy to do. So until next time, Abreeze Motovlogs signing off. See you later, gang. Peace.